Have you ever wondered about how we replace the teeth? So there are many options to replace the teeth. So just look at those options. Hi, this is Dr. Hemant Thorsare from Amwas Dental Center, and let's talk about how we replace the missing teeth. So there are two options to replace the teeth. One is implant and other is crown and bridge. Implant you must heard about in the previous video. Let's talk about the crown and bridge. So crown and bridge is like we prepare the adjacent tooth and we cover up them with a cap and we take the support from those teeth and replace the teeth. So this is what exactly is the crown and bridge. This option is not meant for all the cases. This option is used when the adjacent tooth are sound and well in the condition. That time only we do the crown and bridge. If you want to know more about these options, please come and visit us at Amwas Dental Center. Thank you.